Hello everyone. I hope everything is great. So today we will learn HTML multimedia. So basically HTML multimedia is responsible how you can add the multimedia which are like audio, video, images. So how we can add these in the web page. So today we will learn how to add the video on our web pages. So for this I created one sample file which is video.html file, and I just open this file in the Chrome browser. So for adding the videos we have a special type of tag which we call the video tag. This tag is basically used for adding the videos in any HTML pages. Inside this you need to give some video URL. Video URL may be your local file URL, or it may be some online URL that downloads the video from somewhere from the internet, right? So for adding the resource URL, you have another tag which we call source, and in this tag you need to give the src, in which you need to give the actual path of the video and video type. So there are multiple video formats available like AVI, MPEG, MP4, WMV, QuickTime, but in HTML only three type of video are supported. So first we discuss those. Following video formats are supported. Or we just okay, let's simply add this in paragraph tag with line break. So first format which is the MP4, second is the WebM, and third format that supports in video tag is the OGG format. So these three formats are available and supported by the HTML pages. Again, these three formats can be supported by some of the specific version of browser. Like OGG format does not support by the Safari browser. So let's discuss these one by one. So when you simply add this video tag in your web page, it does not did anything. Basically, video tag provide one container. Inside that you can load any of the videos. And how you can add the video? You need to give the source tag with the src and type attribute. And the type for MP4 is video MP4. You need to give in this way. For WebM, you need to give video slash WebM, and for OGG, you need to give video slash OGG. This way, you need to give the type, and src will be the any video URL. I have few sample videos downloaded. Uh, So let me add one of them, production.mp4. So the extension of this video is mp4. So I need to describe the type here, video slash mp4. Let's use this. Go to browser, refresh. You can see this video is added this way and it have its full width and height. So you need to specify the container width and height by use of width and height attribute of video tag. Let me use this and give maybe 300 and same for height. Save this thing. Now go to browser, refresh, and you can see now we can see a container inside that this video, or maybe now currently it's just an image will be shown. Okay, so how this video will be played, or we can say run. So for that we need to add the controls. This is an attribute of video, and when you add this attribute for this video tag, you will allow to enable the controls for this video. Let me save this, go to browser and refresh. You can see now we have the controls for volume, for full screen, for more options, for play and pause. If I play this button, you can see my video is play here, and you can use this bar as well for moving to different part of video. And once my video is completely run, it will stop. If you want to do this in a loop format, you can use the loop attribute. So first we discuss another attribute. So when I go to this web page, my video is in pause state, right? If you want to autoplay this video, you can add the autoplay attribute for this video. Now if you go to this page and refresh, you can see your video will be play automatically. And until this video start, it will play automatically. I save this, go to browser and refresh. So this video is not ready. Let me add some other video. Go to browser, refresh. Hmm. Autoplay tag is not working here. Why? Maybe because of this browser compatibility. Let's use this browser and open this in Safari browser. Let's see what happens. Okay, in Safari this video will be autoplay. Why? Because Chrome have some policies and does not allow to video autoplay. If I add muted attribute here, let's see what happens. Now this video also play in the Chrome as well. So Chrome browser have this specification. It does not allow video in autoplay mode until and unless this video is in muted condition, right? If I now use the another video, production MP4. Now this you can see this video is again in autoplay mode. And once this video is completed, see what happens. At the end, it stops. If you want to play it again, you have one another attribute which is the loop attribute. When you save this thing, go to browser, refresh. So now after completing this video, it starts again as we apply the loop attribute here. See what happens? Okay, my video again starts. Let's check this behavior in Safari browser as well. In Safari, the controls designs are little different. It depends on the browser to browser. At the end of video, see what happens. Yes, it starts again. So loop attribute will work on both these browsers. You can check this compatibility on different browser, right? So these are some of the attributes. One another attribute which is the poster attribute. So first I remove autoplay, muted and loop attributes. Save this and go to Chrome, minimize the Safari and refresh. So now this is the default one. I have the controls and I need to manually play and pause. But you can see when I come to this page, this video image first slide will be displayed. If you want to show some different image or maybe some poster, you can use the poster attribute for this video tag, and here you can give some image. I use my old image. Let's see what happens. So now by default my poster image will be shown, and when user tap on the play button my video will be run. Just check this behavior on Safari as well. Yes, so now my default image will be shown, and when I tap on this play button my video will be run. Okay, in video container you can add multiple source, and by which you can add multiple videos, but at a time only single video will be run in the browser. And what is the benefit of adding multiple source tag? So if some formats are not supported by the browser, then it goes to the next source and try to load that video. If that video does not load, then it go to some message will be displayed there. So as we all know, the OGG format will not be supported by the Safari. So let's try to use this format. So what I did, I add source src and type will be video OGG, and for source path I use this mg.ogg file, mg.ogg file. Okay, and save this, go to browser and refresh. So my poster will be shown here, and when I play this video my mg.ogg video will be played here, and after completing this video nothing will happen. So this second video production.mp4 never run into Chrome. But if we try the same URL on Safari, see what happens. This will run the production.mp4. Why? Because Safari does not support the OGG image, OGG video. So first it tried to load this video, As the browser does not support this, so it moved to the second one. And if this video is supported by the browser, then that video will be run. And let's assume if I have only this video, so what happens? When I try to play this, it will not play anything. And if we want to give some message here, so how we do this? There is not supported video format available. Now, if I refresh this page, by default, my poster will be shown, and when I tap on the play button, this should show somewhere this message so that your image, or we can say the video, is not displayed here. Let me remove this poster first. Save this, go to browser, refresh. Nothing will be displayed here. If I try to run this, oh, this message is not supported by the Safari browser. If I try this here and maybe give some wrong URL for Chrome, see what happens. It does not load anything, and this message will again not displayed here. So this way you can add the video in your HTML page, and you can give multiple source tag, and the supported video will be shown and choose by the browser. The first video that it find will be run in the web page. And you can also use different attributes like controls, loop, poster, width and height, and as well as the autoplay for this video content. So that's all about the video tag. In next video, we'll learn the audio tag, how to add the audio in the web page. For now, that's it. If you have any question about the video tag or maybe source tag or the attributes of the video tag, you can comment on this video. I will definitely provide the solution. For now, that's it. If you like my video, then please share it, like it, and subscribe my channel. For now, goodbye.